Hello everyone, welcome here. In this lecture, you are going to learn floating in CSS. So how to apply floating and how this property will control an element should float around the text we are going to see here. So specifying a property of a float, it can be besides the clear element which sides we want to present an image inside the text, and representing along with the float properties may have the following values like left, right, none, inherit. So these are one by one we are going to apply by seeing this example. Let's see how it is possible to apply. So I'm taking a simple this one so I'm changing the text to floating. So this paragraph is having this much of text over here. So in this text I'm taking a sample text of lorem ipsum. Sample text we will get from lorem ipsum about us. So we'll take something. If we want to some text to be used in testing purpose, we can use for this one. So here it is the text. Okay, sample text, dummy text, you may take it whatever it. So here the text when I am taking is inside the paragraph. My output would be let's see, simple paragraph, yes, floating, and this is my paragraph text. Here if I want to add with the photograph inside this paragraph, and this would be I'll give you some what I can say that float as a property attribute, and these values I may use for left, right, center, or alignmenting of inheritance. These options I may try to apply over here. Let's see one by one. We'll add, first we will try to add an image. I'll get it from web. So I'm taking, let me check a sample image first. Go to Google. In here you want to use an images. How you will use the images? All are user free, all results, and anytime you are getting here. So just take a just a minute, go to move images. First go to images, then you just take user rights or Creative Commons license, means anyone can use these images. Such images you have to choose. Don't use as a public. If it is a personal usage and none for commercial purpose, you may use these images. Otherwise you have to take free images only. Save this image as inside the project. Apple .png is an extension, either PNG or JPG, you may take that extension. So save this, open the CSS project and open an Apple. Yes, it is our local image, apple apple, and PNG is an extension for that file. If you know very clearly, just go to the image and right click, check with the properties. These properties are type of file PNG. See, this is the within parenthesis you may find that .png is a file extension. This is also, it's a one of the image type. PNG, JPG, JPEG, these are the image formats. Okay, so this image I'm going to applying here inside the paragraph by using very simply img, taking img tag, and we have to check, we have to check the image path. So apple.png is my file name. So the source of image, source attribute, it will ask you on image. So here what we need to specify, the file name we have to specify. The file name is here. So Apple. So Apple I have added here. Let me check. whether the apple is coming it to our page or not. By running this, wow, it's coming. If we want to put something like width and heights, we can put like here only I'm writing. Why? Because floating anyhow I'm writing there, no? So style, yes, take a style. It's like width around how much we can take, 150 or 160 or 170 px, and terminate. And similarly height also I'm setting the width and height. Okay, so the height also proportion 170 px, and it should be terminate. So now let's see, save this and go to the refresh. Wow, this is getting, yes. So by defaultly we are getting here in the image at the left side. So when I'm applying this like floating points, so inside that style tag I'm writing image tag img. Okay, so here I'm writing a word called float, float. What is the float I'm taking? By default it is left, it is already showing, so I'm writing right. So save this. Let's see, save the document, and if you are running this, refreshing the page, you find the apple where it is displays. Reload. Wow, the apple is showing in right side. It's a very easily CSS will taken care, browser will taken care based on the float option we are given inside the CSS code. Similarly, left is there, right is there, none, the element does not float, will be displayed just where it is occurs in the text. If the left means it's a container, always it will be shows on left. Yeah, save it and reload. So it will be, it's in a left side you are able to seeing. And also you may use one more option, which is inherit. Yeah, inherit. So save this and reload. So the text which is implying where we are giving inside the text. So this portion we are given, so it is displaying the same place in the paragraph output. See, here it is, and the element is the inherit the float value of its present, which position which is available, the position of this apple will be displayed there. This is the simplest use of property, can be used to wrap text around the images. Automatically it will do the things. And wrapping is also, if you are resizing the browser, it automatically it will adjust the sizes as well. Alright, these are all the facilities which are available while interacting with the images or anything. You want to make it as a float, like newspapers may write such type of image along with the text, they will write such options. So try to apply in this case. We'll catch you in the next lecture. Thank you.